everybody. So this is the family vehicle. It's a 2015 Toyota Camry. Got it brand new, and the oil change just got done on it. When did the oil change get done? A couple months ago? Anyways, tune-up needs to be done, and battery needs to be replaced because, you know, I want to replace this battery today. I'm gonna do the tune-up. It's fairly easy. I already took off the cover. These are the coils. 1, 2, 3, 4 coils. Oh, cool. I need that. Dan just showed me a $5 off at O'Reilly's coupon. We're definitely gonna need right now. O'Reilly's is down the street, so I'm just gonna jam there in the other car real quick and pick up some. I unplugged all the coils. These is just a 10 millimeter. All you'll need to do this job is a 10 millimeter long extension, 16 millimeter for the spark plugs. Here's the coils. They just come right up and out. They should not have no oil at all in them. This one doesn't, so these are all still good. What'd you do, sweetheart? Set it aside. You gotta be careful. Just be super careful with everything that you don't want to mess with. Oh, thanks. Hold it down. Sure. Quick, easy video we could post right now. Tune up 2015 Toyota Camry.
Are you untightening it?
Yeah, I'm pulling the spark plug out.
Here comes spark plug number 1.
I'm gonna have to get it with a magnet.
Look at our nose. She just got groomed. Nala. Nala. No, squinch.
A little bit of grease, no?
No, don't what?
I'm not.
You can't dirty her.
I won't.
Oh, no.
Alright, everybody, set along. Nose needle, nose pliers. Let me see. There it is. Oh, I may need to undo it. Oh yeah, there's the spark plug, and it got no oil on it, so that's a good sign. But it is all burnt up, so we're gonna replace these. We're gonna go get 4 new spark plugs.
Oh, great.
So these are your coils, and these were super easy to undo, just a 10 millimeter. And then the unplug, just pinch them, unplug. I set them up in order just in case. I don't know if they are in a particular order, but the way you want to do it is take things off, remember where they came from, video it, take a picture. I kind of just Alright, off to O'Reilly's. Well, here we go. Let's go do the tune-up on this car. Alright everybody, so we just got back from O'Reilly's. We got the Bosch ones. These ones are preset. Remember to ask for the preset ones, otherwise you're going to be dealing with trying to adjust these things and it's just a big pain in the butt. Don't bother with that. Just ask, please give me the preset spark plugs for you don't have to adjust it.
And it's a 7-year warranty for $7.99 each.
Yes, but they were out of the lifetime warranty ones, the best ones that we actually wanted to get. So, and the best way to put these in is not the way I was just about to do it. The best way is to kind of just drag it with your finger and place it down like that. That way it adjusts right. That way it don't hit the tip and then bend wrong. Always hand tighten in these situations, that way you don't have the thread incorrect. So I backed it out first, and then I placed it properly, and then I went back into the correct clockwise
So after
motion.
we do the spark plugs, what's next on this car?
This car already had the oil change.
Oh, battery.
Oh, the battery.
Okay, Walmart.
There's that spark plug.
Walmart batteries are the cheapest.
Yeah, I don't like how long they last. I feel like I have to change these batteries at least once a year or every other year. They're like right there on it. And then you just want to drop it down nice and easy like that. And then when you
How do you know it's tightened? It'll tighten? Like you can't twist them more?
I feel it connect, right? And I'll back it out. So I go counterclockwise, and now I know for sure it's sitting on the thread good. The spark plug itself. Then I start tightening it. Right. Oh, see how it wasn't sitting on the thread too well. So now I'm backing it out again, kind of wiggling it around. Now I'm setting it again down clockwise. Now it's tightening good, see? Before I kind of tightened it and it stopped for a second. That means it was going against the thread, yeah.
Number 2.
And then I'm going to tighten these down a minute. These are just hand tightening for now. Go on there and 4 on there. Socket wrench.
Drop it down lightly.
Back it out first to get it properly placed on the thread, and then when I feel it's on there evenly, I'll start the clockwise motion to tighten it. Going on there pretty good. Beauty of having a dump truck.
Uh-huh. Last one. Remember to drop it down.
Coils are all up there. I put grease. I put little beads of grease on the coils. That way when I place them in there, I'm kind of lubing up and greasing the top of the spark plug. And I think it's like an anti-seize type thing anyways. That way when you pull out your coils again, it's not all stuck to your spark plug or seized up. And you have to change your coils. These coils are expensive. Each one of these coils, I think, is over $79.
Oh my god. Mess around.
Lucy righty tight. That's good enough. Just want to give kind of a 1/4 inch turn on as far as tightening it goes. That's good. That's good.
Alright, now we put all the coils back on.
Let's see this first one. Just make sure. No, we put the spark plugs back. These are the coils right here. So
Oh, oops, see, I don't know.
we'll drop in number 1.
line it up.
Line it up. Bolt it down, and these coils, they should get onto the spark plug real easily. And these coils were in good condition, so I shouldn't have any problem.
I'm not going to be in good condition. Easy peasy.
So we end up spending at O'Reilly's.
$31. Because we have a $5 off coupon.
And we got the $2 pack of grease. I probably have a bunch of those laying around the garage or even in my tool bag. I always end up buying them every single time. I don't know why.
You didn't think about it, I think. Oh, well.
I love seeing the packs of grease.
You're getting grease all over my jacket.
Oh, sweetheart, they'll be okay. Get you a new jacket.
They don't sell them no more.
Alright, this was all 10 millimeter. I'm gonna clip these all back on. 1 and 2 and 3, 4.
And now just tighten them.
Tighten them down.
Nice and easy, guys. Look at this disgusting thing.
Alright, this cover just pops on and off super easy like this. Got a prime there.
At least they all got covers, huh? The car mostly has covers.
Back on.
Also a 10 millimeter for that.
And also a 10 millimeter for the battery. Replace the battery.
And we'll
Alright, and that's it. Smash that thumbs up button. Doing my tune-up on the Toyota Camry.